Good morning, good peace Sunday.
Happy Sunday, guys! Good morning! Nandito si Kuya Mike sa Canada.
Okay, time check muna tayo, no? It's 8:28, July 5,
22
Sunday.
degrees Celsius, guys. 22, napakaganda. Hindi ganun
22
kainit,
sa,
guys.
sa inyo.
Pupunta kami ng guys, nandito kami sa may Don Quixote.
No, papunta tayo sa sa Queen Farm. Magve-vegetable picking tayo,
This is
strawberry
Japan,
picking
Hindi
and
Japan, Canada, Don Quixote. Kasi
Quixote.
Japan isa eh.
Quixote.
Ano ba to? Quixote?
Quixote.
Okay,
Di
Don
ba, no?
Quixote.
Okay, no? Don Quixote.
Quixote, yun din yun eh.
Quixote, yeah. Pero kasi France eh, di ba?
So, Don Quixote sa English.
So, few minutes, mga ilang kilometers na lang, makakarating na tayo dun sa destination
Yeah,
natin.
guys, enjoy nyo. Tinan nyo naman yung farming, oh. Yeah, ito.
At the end of the street, turn right.
Ayun na, malapit na tayo. Sino lang nandito? Obviously, si Kuya Mike,
Tayo,
ako, at
sila.
saka si
Tsaka sila yung mga nanonood.
yung mga nanonood, at saka si
Kasama tayo.
Andrew, si Alisa may trabaho ngayon, weekend to work niya, so hindi siya nakasama. As much as gusto niyang sumama, hindi pwede. So, kita-kits, balikan namin kayo pagdating namin doon sa
Sama tayo, guys. Enjoy tayo, ha.
Bye! Tayo lang, hala. Andyan yan sa...
Parang late.
Ito na tayo. Ayan, La Femme Queen. Dito tayo. Actually, ang opening niya is at 9 o'clock ang opening niya. Tapos, hindi ka kailangan mong kumuha ng appointment. It's by appointment.
Guys,
Ayan siya, oh. Ayan siya, oh. Pakita natin yan.
So where are we?
I don't know kung dyan ba yun o dito.
Mukhang dito eh, no?
O, baka dito, mahal.
Maglakad-lakad, alam mo na.
O, kasi dito ang billetary, oh. Ticket booth, oh.
online, no?
I got it online. Mahal yung email is sa'yo.
Nasa akin. Nakuha ko nga.
Yun, pakikita na.
Nakuha na tayo dito.
Maghanap tayo ng mapaparkingan. Tanungin mo ko saan ng
Maaga tayo
parking.
gusto mo umikot sa
Ang tanong is, saan tayo magpapark? Yun ang tanong.
I guess like this is the park.
Ito ng 8:34 ng umaga. So, intay-intay lang muna. Mas maigi nang mas maaga kami rito kaysa naman yung mahuli ka na wala ka nang ma-parking yan. At the same time, pag na-miss mo yung oras mo, kasi by schedule siya ng time eh. Mahirap naman. You know? Laki ng bahay. Ay, may lake nga doon. Tingnan mo, mahal. Ayun, oh.
Ano yung sabi sa'yo?
Tingnan natin mamaya. Tsaka yung nandun na isa na sabing pinupuntahan ng mga... Dito ba pwede? Ang laki ng lupa na to, ano? Tingnan mo mula rito hanggang doon sa...
I guess it's like family like heritage thing.
Mga
Oh, malamang it's...
Ito guys, tingnan natin yung ito yung parang hindi kasi 9:30 pang start, 8:30 pa lang. So medyo maaga pa. So I think dito pwede naman pumasok para makita lang natin. Guys, bakery. It says bakery barn, di ba? Ito yung I think nung ginagawa ito, I think family owned na siya, na farm, no? Di ba? Classic, no? Ganda tingnan. Di ba? So ito yung mga table siguro pag gusto nyo kumain. Right? Ayun, nakakit sana ako dito sa parang barn pero sarado dito sa Mayagdan. And then, ayun may mga binibenta sila guys sa loob na something para mga sauce, no? Kung titinan mo. Ayan, no? So pwede tayo pumasok sa boutique. Ayan, may mga sauce yan guys, na binibenta. And then ito yung mga pagkain. I think pagkain to ng mga goat, mga sheep, no? Straw ang tawag dyan for $10 binibenta. Hey! Or straw na binibenta guys. Wala. Oh, bukas na siya. So it's open. Hi, good morning. Good morning. So bukas na siya guys. So galing, oh. Wow. Aba, yan, local family, legumes, memories, fruits, quality, passion, di ba? Lahat nakalagay yung mga meron, di ba? Yung mga activities sila. Tingnan natin yung mga binibenta. Sigurado magugustuhan to ni Mrs. So kasi may mga usually baka may eggs sila, kailangan bumili eggs, mga organic, ganun yung mga binibenta rito guys. Wow. That's nice. Meron sila ngayon, sourdough crackers, oh. Tapos may mga mais, may mga sausages, and probably they have wines too. Ayan, oh. Wow. That's nice. Yeah, daming guys matutuwa. Barbecue sauce, no? Iba-ibang mga... Oh, may mga chocolate din, guys. Wow. Ayan, oh. Daming... kasi guys, mga iba-ibang klaseng chocolate, oh. Diba? Ayan, oh. And then they have, fruits and vegetables, ayan, oh. From our farm to your table, yeah. 25 fruits and vegetables grown here on the farm. Wow. Oh, may ice cream din sila, guys. May sariling ice cream. Tawagan natin sina Mrs. So, tinawagan ko lang sina Mrs. Kasi sabi ko may mga tinda rito, guys, oh. May mga rin silang maple syrup. Diba? Canadian. Diba? Alright. Wow. This is nice. Tapos meron silang fresh strawberries. It's $9 for 1.5 and $18 for 3 liters. Wow. La Firm Queen. May mga organic sila, guys, oh. Dito gawa lahat to, I think, no? I don't know. Man, may beer sila, oh, guys, oh. Yeah. Wow. Beer na from Boss, guys. Diba? Iba-ibang klase, anong lasa ng beer, guys. Meron silang caribou. Ang dami, guys, oh. And then meron sila Italian na 4% lang, guys, ayan, oh. But wow. So this is nice. So kung may sa beer, guys, dito ang dami. Ibang flavor, guys, ng beer, no? Yeah, and then drinks. Di ba? And then meron silang mga ayan, no? Meron silang American. Mga Mexican, ayan, no? Nakalagay. Ayan, wow. Beer, dami, guys, kasi may wine sila. Makasya tayo mamaya, Total, malapit lang naman si Mrs. pwede mag-drive. So this is the place that I can drink. I don't usually drink, but I think this is the place, no? Baka...
Admission is $10 per person, and then the 2-liter baskets are $20.
Yeah. So there you go. So ang daming So may mga rin sila, guys, mga strawberry pie. May pumasok na na trap sa loob. So make sure bibilin mo, walang kasama siguro 'yun, Doon sa loob nung yeah. That's nice. And then they have puzzles, they have this mga laruan, Meron pa rin, guys, tingnan natin doon sa pinakaloob. Ano meron? Wow. Partition was shepherd's pie, yeah. Partition was shepherd's pie, yan. And then they have this. They're selling cups. Wow. They're nice, and they, And then they have souvenirs, siyempre, souvenir shop. Diba? Support natin yung mga local, no?
How long ago?
Siya lagay na yung bracelet, guys. They have to put the bracelet on first.
Oh, wow.
1982. Wow. You guys are the grandchildren of the part of the family, right?
Both Quinn, actually.
Wow.
And Stephanie Quinn.
Oh, that's nice.
The creators, basically.
Right.
Wow.
Wow.
One in the field and one in the film.
Right.
They're really proud of it.
They have to, eh?
They should.
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a rundown to
Yeah.
reservation.
Exactly.
I don't know, do you mind?
That's fine. Don't worry about it.
Nice. Actually, I was trying to get
You go, which man?
so it's
Oh.
it's only by reservation, or you can walk in and
We tell people
You
to.
can walk in, but not in fall because there's so many like people.
Mhm.
So right now, since we're not fully booked, we
I
take
see.
walk-ins, but it's better to reserve online.
This is our online.
what
Thank
I
you.
thought.
You have
Yeah.
a place.
That's
So you have
fantastic.
apples here too?
Yes, yes.
During fall?
Yes.
End of August, I'd say.
End of August?
Yeah.
That's the best time to come. So maybe you'll see us again.
September is the best time, actually. Yes.
Because last time we went, it would. There was no more apples.
Yeah, if you go too far, too early, it's really.
So the
Maybe
best
you
is
can do exactly. You call before you come in.
That's a good idea. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, guys. So here you go. Admission is $10 plus taxes, and you have to make an appointment though. I mean reservation, not appointment. Reservation. Apo na sila guys. Narinig nyo? Sabi, tinanong ko, their grandchildren from Queen. Queen is, I think, is an American, no? It sounds like an American last name, or Canadian. Whichever. Guys, oh, inuman ng ano, guys, oh. Don't forget to wash your hand, guys. Oh, wash your hand, guys. Wash your hand. Doodle, doodle.
Hindi, pag pumasok ka doon siguro, gusto mo tignan to?
Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So, animals. Yeah, I love the. Oh, I have no problem with it. Oh, guys, pig, oh. I have a little pig. Oh, I like this pig. Hello, pigly. Hello. Hello. Guys, oh, my pig, oh. Mr. Pig, thank you for your bacon. So, animal zone. I know they have black pig, red pig, white pig. Oh, they're friends. Are they fighting? Oh. Hello, Mr. Sheep. Hello. You want to say hi? Right. So, oh, ito, oh, ganda ng ano. Hello, mo. Hello, mama. Hello, mama. Hello, mama. How's your, oh, you guys are so yummy, huh? You know that I like you guys? Yeah.
Away from him.
Caldereta and Kambing, you know? You know Caldereta and Kambing? You guys are good. I love Caldereta and Kambing. Right? Yeah.
Ito, babae. Ito mga buntis,
Oh
oh.
yeah, they're all female. Maybe one of them are male, but they're young. Mga bata pa sila.
Ito.
Oh! Wow.
Nangingitlog sila.
Magsisisiw na yun, kaya ganun, no?
Ha?
Pagka nagsisisiw na, ganyan na yan, eh. Itsura yun.
Ay, talaga.
Baka may sisiw na yan, or anytime, kaya ganyan na siya. Very
Don't push me,
protected.
I'm trying to take a photo.
Okay.
Ay, ayun na itlog, oh. Nangitlog na.
May kalapati nga, oh. Ayun.
Ayun, ito, oh. Nangitlog na siya, oh. Dito, from here. Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. May itlog na siya, oh.
Yung isang yan, nagsisisiw na yan, oh.
Ayan.
Malapit na yan, oh, may sisiw na, kaya ganyan.
Saan yung sabi na dito ba tayo maghintay ng tractor dyan, oh? Pwede ka maglaro doon, oh.
Hawakan mo yung bola, hugasan mo yung kamay mo. So guys, maghihintay ng tractor. Habang na dito, ikot muna tayo. Kasi malaki yata. Yeah, we can just go around. Ah, may mga para pambata guys na ano, ayan, mga slides ayun, basketball sila. Diba? Yeah. Ayan, oh. Ah, meron silang basketball court, ano? Ayan, oh. So, thank you for sharing your days with us. Koneho. Mayroong koneho, guys, oh. Is it big? Oh, we should have bring extra bag too, you know? Ayan, they have extra bag. Ayun, may extra bag sila, oh. Ba't ganun? Eh, koneho, you know I love your calderetang koneho?
Hindi naman kinakaldereta.
Oh, kinakaldereta yan, man. I love it. Let's go.
Poor babies, they're getting eaten.
The next tractor ride will be at what? 9 o'clock?
Eh, alas 9 na ba?
Yeah, already. Baka nahuli na tayo.
So, 20 minutes.
Let's just walk, you guys don't know.
Ayoko. Kasama yung sa bayan. Ano?
Yeah.
Ito ata mga raspberry. Unahin natin ang ano eh.
Alin?
Strawberry, malayo daw. Masyado malayo kung maglalakad ka. So, we
Right.
have to take the tractor ride. Ay,
Mhm.
doon ata siya oh. Doon siya oh. Doon ka maghihintay, mahal. Tara, punta tayo doon.
You mean pretty, baunahin mo na rin. Yeah, the tractor comes at 9. So,
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, yeah. So,
9?
yeah.
Past 9.
At 9 o'clock, yeah.
Guys,
So, di tayo maghihintay kasi darating ang tractor ng 9.
Kasi kung hindi, iwanan tayo.
Yeah.
Mamaya oh, akit tayo. Berries, look at that.
Blueberries. Taste it? Mari, you sure about that? Maasim!
Gagawin ko itong ano, magluluto ako guys ng strawberry jam at saka blueberry jam.
Wow. So, blueberry guys, tumutubo lang dito sa kalikasan. Fantastic. Ha?
Tanggalin mo na kasi yung ano eh, salita na yan. Ang pangit eh.
Yung nakikita natin yung maraming prutas.
Tatanggalin ko nga yan. Sige. Baka mahulog yun ang kanin.
Bala na. Dito tayo sa ano. Para makita natin sa side. Right.
Naghihintay pa siguro si Kuya.
Meron na yun. May darating pero nahuli.
Malaking order. Malaki siyang order.
Yeah. Oo, pa naman tayo. Okay. Alright. Woo! Say hi. So private na, no?
Ang laki ng lupa kasi sa natin sa dulo na yun.
Right?
Hindi oh, may mga animal pa. Yung kabayo oh.
Ha? May kabayo.
May polo, baby, baby horse oh.
Oh, yeah.
Siguro yung mga masala. Hindi ba siya apple orchard?
Oh, okay. Dami na namin kasama sa likod.
Ito mo naman sa kakakaroon. Kasi yung mga bata. Haba nga naman, pero nakarin mo siya.
Yeah. Nandito kami sa pisa ng gusto yung picking, meron silang lugar na para siyempre kung umiit ng gusto, di ba? So,
Alors ici à la ferme, on a juste deux règles très importantes. On a two very important rules at the farm. Alors la première, c'est faire très attention aux fraises ici dans le champ. So marcher toujours au milieu des rangs. So I'm very careful the strawberries always walk in the middle of the lanes, alright? Second rule, it's very simple. Très simple, la deuxième règle, c'est avec du fun, mangez autant de fraises que vous voulez, eat as much strawberries as you want. I want to see those mouths really red
Yeah,
by
you can
then.
start eating.
See those voir les bouches bien à la fin. Tracteur, c'est ici chaque 10-15 minutes. Tractor every 10-15 minutes if you want to head back to the front. Si vous voulez retourner à l'avant. Je suis ici si vous avez besoin d'aide. I'm here if you need any help. Today I suggest you stick to the middle of the field if you want to maximize your strawberries. Je suggère rester au milieu des rangs si vous voulez maximiser le nombre de fraises. Puis c'est ça. Avez du fun, have fun tout le monde.
Merci.
No, blueberries is gonna be later in the month, and you're gonna have to reserve
Oh.
that.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah,
All
of
right.
course.
I'll take it. Oh, strawberries.
Only lang doon.
Uh,
Doon tayo sa middle view.
kaya pala yung... Yeah. Let's go.
Kaya mangunguha na ako mamaya dito.
So wala palang ano guys, blueberry. Kala ko may blueberry. Kasi yung blueberry na nandun. Ano pa siya guys, ano? Hindi pa siya hinog, no? Right? So that's why. So strawberries, yeah. Andrew. Oh, this one is big. This one.
You gotta eat your
That
first
one there.
Look at this one, it's funny looking.
Yeah, no, you have a lot. I don't know if that one is good already. Yeah, it looks red. So. They're sweet. Mahal. Sarap guys, oh. Tinikman ko na guys, sarap. Ang daming pipik na guys, ha. Ayan na. Oh, tamis na rin, no? Just perfect. This is not too sweet, but I like it.